at the markets here. You know, you've probably been hearing all week and last week, you know, we're making new highs here. So we can see if we look at the weekly chart there, we've got 2 weeks of brand new highs. So we did actually manage to break out of this upper resistance line here, you know, despite the fact that we don't actually have any concrete, you know, trade negotiations going on with China, you know, more specifically. And even surprisingly with, you know, the US elections coming up next year. So we'll see how far this has to run. And one thing I also noticed here, and I had kind of forgotten about this line here, but right, we had this older support line, right? So we had 2 touches of the support line, and the third touch, you know, it failed, it got broke, but then it turned into, interesting enough, it turned into resistance here. So sometimes, you know, depending on the angle of these lines here, you know, sometimes that gives the market something to shoot for. And yeah, I gotta say, this is a very impressive up move here. But yeah, to really say that the market's going to keep going and hit this line, you know, probably maybe by the end of this year, beginning of next year, to say it's really going to get up there would really be an incredible feat. I think we absolutely need some solid, either we need, some solid earnings, you know, coming out from everybody, or we need some kind of, you know, Chinese trade talks finalized and locked in, basically locked in to really, I think, get that market to shoot up there. Otherwise, we're probably going to get up there a little bit further and then probably kind of peter out and just maybe and get stuck in this range again, you know, in which case probably all these support and resistance lines probably just kind of get thrown out the window. You know, they all have to be reanalyzed again. Once we hit this new peak here. But in any case, we'll see what happens, right?